Okay, I've insulated this house for a customer about a year ago, and or a bit less, and they've got a little roof leak that probably was running away before, and now that the insulation's in the way, it moves things. But I'll just show you where the leak is. So if we just, you can see actually on the cellulose fibre here, you can see that this cellulose over here is nice and dry and fluffy still, right? But if we come over here, this is where it's been leaking, and so you can just see it's crusting a little bit on the surface there where the water's come in, and you can see how it's got a bit of a hole here where that's been dripping into there. Now that's dripping off of here, which is means the water's coming in through this flashing or through these tiles here somewhere, right? So I'll track that down for the customer and let them know where it's coming from, but it's nothing to do with our job or where we lifted the roof. The difference is that now that the insulation's here, it tends to hold the moisture in one place and stop it running away, whereas before it would have been running away down a wall cavity, and the first thing you'd know, instead of having your plaster damaged, you'd have a rotten wall or something in 10 years time. But anyway, I'll let the customer know that this is the exhaust fan here in their bathroom, and when there's enough water, looks like there's been a fair bit of water coming in through here, right? Because that's been fairly wet there before, but it's all the way along on that edge there. So so we'll just have to see what they can do about fixing it up. I'll let them know where the leak is, and we'll go from there.